What's going on, guys? We're on day number 2 of the Tesla Model Y. We're going to install paint protection film on the hood, the fender, the front bumper, and the mirrors. And depending on time, we might do a little bit more. He wants the whole thing PPF. I don't have time. I have so many appointments, so I kind of squeezed him in at the last minute. But we'll do a full front PPF on it and do the rest at another time. Then we're going to do this Geoshield, that tinted paint protection film on the headlights there. That's really going to tie everything together and look really nice. The tint job looks great. It cured out overnight. Super happy with how that turned out. So let's go ahead and paint protection film the front of a Tesla Model Y. And man, I love working on these new Model Ys. They come apart so easy. There's no like violent clip or anything. The camera just slides right out. I kind of fish my hand through the wheel well there, and then I just push up on this tab, and then it just slides right out. It's so nice. So I'm gonna take this camera out so I can PPF this fender. And then I just tape up these connectors right here. It's not like much water is gonna get down there, but I don't want any water getting into those connectors, so just go ahead and put those right down there. And now I can PPF this fender. Okay, so I got the entire car decontamination washed using Obsessed Grudge decontamination soap. We used our deionized water, that way there wouldn't be any mineral deposits or water spots or anything like that. So now I'm gonna use my clay mitt, get any of the embedded contaminants out of there. That way the paint protection film looks the best and adheres the best. So I'm gonna start with this fender right here, just using a little bit of soapy water. There we go. We'll just go ahead and get this thing all clayed out. Pretty slick, so we shouldn't have any issues. Okay, yeah, not feeling a lot of, if you hear like a lot of grittiness, it's probably pretty bad, but new cars, they're usually not horrible. Some are though. So just do this as a precaution. Want to really get in these edges right here where the camera is. That way it doesn't lift up or anything, so. Yeah, this actually feels super good. Okay, yeah, I think we're in good shape with this. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, so I'm gonna set my clay mitt down. Go ahead and wipe our panel. We have our tire cover on there, that way the film's not sticking and picking up a whole bunch of dirt and all that nonsense. So I'm just gonna give this a spray down with Car Pro Eraser. Get all the dust or fingerprints or oils or whatever off of there. These are brand new microfiber towel. That way we can make sure that this looks the best and there's no contamination. Okay, so now we got our piece of film on there. Now we can kind of rough cut it to size here. So we don't want all this excess just hanging out. Take the cap sheet off. So I've got my True Spray, that's got my slip solution. And then I'll be using my Chief Steamer 100 right here for my steam or hot water. That'll kind of be my tack. It just shoots out high pressure steam. It's awesome for PPF, removing tint, all that stuff. So I'm gonna spray this down, give it a squeegee, and then we'll stick on the PPF. And here is the final product. I didn't film the front bumper installation. I was in like full concentration mode when I did this. But we got that Geoshield tinted PPF on the headlights. It really ties everything together and looks great. All right, and we are all wrapped up with Geoshield ceramic shield paint protection film on the mirror, the fender, the hood, and the front bumper, and even the headlights. So that's tinted headlight film on there. When the headlights are on, can't even tell. When they're off, it looks black. Looks super cool. It came out great. I was a little bit nervous because there were some bubbles. Oh, perfect timing. See how that looks black now? Yeah. I was a little bit nervous because there were a few bubbles, but they dried out overnight. So that's pretty standard with paint protection film. You might have a couple bubbles. It could take up to a week or two for them to go out. But if they don't, you can always, hit it with a little, they make a PPF pen. You can hit it with that heat gun. It'll go right away. It's not a big deal. So don't freak out if you got bubbles in your PPF. It's super fixable. Everybody gets them. As long as it doesn't look like a measles outbreak, though. You might have a couple here and there. But yeah, here's that mirror. I mean, man, that thing came out great. Here's the fender. You can kind of tell, so no PPF. You can just see the glossiness. Yeah, on camera. And it is so slick. This has ceramic built into it, so it's super slick. I was doing a ceramic coating on another PPF, and it just doesn't slide at all. This stuff is just like butter, man. It just, so good. So he's gonna have a good time washing it. His front end's gonna be nice and protected. And we'll see if he wants to come back and do the rest of the vehicle, do the doors and the trunk and all that stuff. This will be an interesting trunk to PPF because it's only this high, but that extreme curve, it's gonna require a bunch of structure there. Then in my other video, you saw the windows get tinted. That's all cured out. Everything looks perfect. But man, what a sweet looking ride. And here is the rear window. Little bit of dust. See, that's not in the tent. That's just some dust. All right. Yeah, absolutely perfect. Edges are perfect. No bubbles whatsoever. We got our mirror PPF'd. We got our front fender PPF'd. Got our hood PPF'd. Got our headlights PPF'd. Our bumper PPF'd. Other fender PPF'd. And this mirror PPF'd. I did the passenger side first. This one came out a little bit better. But man, looks so good. And then when the customer comes in, he's going to have his after-car warranty. There's a QR code on the back of this where you can register your warranty. And then I gave him a Starbase Wraps coffee mug, invisible glass to clean the tent, personalized thank you card, information on the PPF, custom Starbase Wraps air freshener, a business card, and a Rag Company microfiber towel. And if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you have a Tesla in Las Vegas, reach out to me, Ben at starbasewraps.com. You can call me, you can go to my website, starbasewraps.com. All my information's on there. If you want someone that's gonna tint your Tesla, PPF, or wrap it safely and quality at an affordable price, reach out to me. I'm just a guy in a garage, a small business here, but I only do Teslas for the most part. I own a Model S Plaid and a Model Y long range, so I'm a Tesla enthusiast myself. So if you want to support the community, reach out to me. I would love to make your Tesla look out of this world. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next Starbase Wraps video.